Shugor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Nirmala Sitharaman kabade ka Menteri Jonggapla tingka ke Sorkar Pedeng haringkat bat ka Menteri Sorkar Jilla kabade pet ya katanar agriculture ka kong amperin lingdo hakakat artrik unaitung arhajar apusan kalahir jurib ya ka Jaka ai Jinghikai reptit kata ka Mushroom Development Center kabadan ha Upper-Shillong. Bat kumju banyakan duo ekinong reptit ke Jilla nakeleng ki district bapher. Kania ka jingwan hiar jurib kensan ka Menteri Sorkar Pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman ya kate ka Jaka ai Jinghikai reptit kalongru shibenta banyakali perthau batru banyatua jingmut naki halor kani ka kam reptit Shuk kani ka jingwan jurib ka Menteri Sorkar Pedeng ya kani ka Jaka reptit ha Upper-Shillong kadeiru ba Shwa bakan Hiar Laitkynsew Sohra.
The cooler than in Shillong, so it's more suitable for cultivation crops. We have the tea garden there. We do the potato research here. So we are also today emerging as one of the biggest producer of potato ARCs, vertical root cuttings, that is behind. And mushrooming, of course, the main one we are doing. So this is our Shwa. The altitude here will be about 400 meters higher than Shillong.
So we are about what?
800 to 1400 now. Here it must be 1200. Shillong peak is 14, this is 12. Shillong would be about
8, 9.
In logs. 3 logs. Yes. 2004 I started this, in 2004. But then it's very laborious when in logs. So if we can grow in this is called synthetic logs. That is natural logs. If you grow in synthetic logs means it's very easy to maintain, easy to handle. And in 6 months it will finish. Whereas in the logs it is 1 year per inch. So if you have a 6 inch logs, it will take 6 years for it to produce. It means that it will keep on coming out in a year it will produce 3 times.
So the logs like for producing spawns. I love it. For mushrooms to grow on them. It's about 6 years.
If you have a 6 inch log, if you have a 4 inch, it will be 4 years. If you have a 10 inch, it will be 10 years.
Yeah, but post that period, that log cannot anymore produce.
No, then it becomes
unable to grow
compost.
It has another usage.
We just have to throw it also. You cannot burn because it's all soft.
And that finally works out to be the same? Or this is more log consuming and that is less log consuming? Has that been established?
I think this is more log consuming, but it's easier for the farmer.
Easier for the farmer.
That is less log consuming.
We need to grow the tree.
Because that means you're losing more trees.
Yes.
This one is sustainable.
It's more sustainable, but again, laborious.
So, but then we are using other materials.
Logs.
No, we take only the branch, For growing synthetic logs, we need only the branch. It is 2 inches, so we have to chips it. We have to make it to a sawdust. It becomes chips. Then we can grow this. No? Whereas in natural logs, we have to take at least minimum is 3 inches.
We have some ladies also, ma'am.
You're also growing mushrooms? Is this somebody who's been there for some years?
Ano sinang pila ka? Pila kan ka nakadakado ka sa buo? Sitake kami kinikiway ka na nawakan maskiway sa
Other than mushroom,
multiple kita na it's multiple of food. So he's a city boy.
These Hasians, when he started, he was just 4,000. So he started with 50 plants. And in 1 year, he made 76,000. So like this person from West Hasians, this is 100 kilometers from here where he is standing. So he started at 20,000. So he ended up in 1 year, 1,25,000. So on and so forth, keep on going.
So you can just show me the.
With the steam which comes, and what is the machine do? It will filter the steams now. These are all filtered. We will filter the steams. So steams will be everything will be set from here. So once it is done, it will be open from the back side. There's a cooling unit in the room. Inoculations will be there. So inoculations will be there. All these are
For
40.
So of the 40, there will come down 20, even there is not 20.
Right.
Here in this.
Element of hormone which can be excluded. No, of course. And there's also
that's right.
Here, even we are operating only 3 or 4 in this area, within this school. So this capacity can house to around 500. So maybe we are producing.
We started with one auto, but then we decided that we might as well do the largest plant. So the capacity of this plant is 1,000 blocks per day. So which means if we work 300 days, 3 lakh blocks.
This is the block. We make that last